Good day, it's Tuesday, May 26, 2015. I'm forecaster Eric Poston from NeoWeather.com. Starting out with those daily weather headlines. Well, scattered storms through the day today, and they will be present for Wednesday also. We'll talk about that coming up. Warm through the end of the week here before we start to see a cool down. We'll talk about that. And more storms for the weekend. Just how wet will the upcoming weekend be? We'll talk about it. Taking a look at the NeoWeather 3D Max on this Tuesday morning. We've got a relatively dry west coast. We've got these almost a line of showers and storms here stretching south of Minneapolis back through St. Louis and then down here through parts of New Orleans. So we are going to be watching some storms today. Obviously, these storms here we will be keeping an eye on as we make our way through later in the day. Most of the region this morning seeing some pretty good sunshine. We do have some clouds, especially for our Canton and Point South here, the southeast corner, and a few clouds there along the lakeshore also. As far as temperatures, currently we are warm, 73 Akron, Canton, 74 Cleveland, 73 in Youngstown, 71 Mansfield, 77 in Sandusky. So a warm morning today. So we're going to be keeping an eye on these storms here to the west, and it's also worth noting that the SPC here has us in a slight risk today. Now, I think the chances of us seeing some severe weather in the, I would say, east of 71 are pretty small at this point, and I wouldn't be surprised if they trim back the slight risk a little bit here, because I think your best chance is actually western Ohio and probably back through Cincinnati and even into Columbus here, as we're going to see some storms develop, I think, late afternoon. And I think by the time the storms make it to northeastern Ohio here, I think most of them are it's going to be probably near dark, and most of the stability there will be gone. So I think we could see obviously a couple stronger storms, could see some strong winds today, but I think the best chance of seeing severe weather is probably going to be western Ohio and southwest Ohio. So we'll keep you updated on that as the day rolls on. But as you can see, a pretty nice big dry window here, and that's going to pretty much be the case, I think, until at least late afternoon and into this evening. I think if you're Cleveland and Akron, you may get through much of the day dry today until those storms arrive, I think, this evening. Take a look at the numbers yesterday, 82 and 64. Our averages are 73 and 53. No movement in our precipitation department yesterday. Our records are 89 and 34. Sunrise is 5:59. Sunset is 8:49. Taking a look at that forecast for the day on Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. We're in the lower 70s here this morning. Scattered storms west, I think, 2 p.m., and I think scattered storms starting to move into the eastern portion of the area after 5 p.m. We'll get up to near 82 degrees. A few places could be a couple clicks warmer than that. South wind 10 to 15 miles per hour, and only a 50-50 chance of seeing some storms today. Better chance for storms arrives overnight tonight. Showers and storms, pretty good bet here, 60% chance. We stay warm though. We fall back from the upper 70s into the upper 60s with a south wind of 10 to 15 miles per hour. So staying warm overnight tonight. Tomorrow, pretty much the same story. Scattered storms around, 50-50 chance of seeing some storms. Highs near 80. Any storms that linger around will be early Wednesday night before they move out. I think we'll set the stage for a dry Thursday near 80. Dry Friday, partly sunny, 85. It's going to be warmer. Then we'll bring in more storm chances here Friday night, and it looks like a pretty good chance for some storms over the weekend right now, especially Saturday and Saturday night. Temperatures are going to be falling back tremendously here. I think we'll probably top out 80 to 82 on Saturday, and then we will probably fall back quite a bit as we head towards Sunday. I think we'll be in the mid-70s, and then probably the mid-70s again on Monday. So definitely some cooler air is going to slide in here as we head into the latter part of the weekend and into the first part of next week. But overall, not bad. We're pretty much this whole forecast is above average, so not bad at all here as we close out the month of May. Have a great Tuesday.